name is Ifj, and I represent Rock Royal.
You've seen this 3D text effect on top creators' channels. It looks expensive, right? Well, I did this in CapCut and I want to show you exactly how I did it. Here is the trick. Follow me, let's go. So the first thing you need to do, log into CapCut, open your CapCut app, and then click New Video. Can you see? Click on New Video. Now, when you click on New Video, the video we want to use for this exercise is the first one, okay? Or yeah, let's say we want to use the first one. So click on it like this, and then click on Add. Can you see that? So this is the video we want to use for this exercise. Now, step 1, you have imported your video. Step 2 is to add your text, okay? Add your text. So let's say we want to use welcome. So click on text beneath here at the bar here, okay? Click on text and then click on add text. Then you type either welcome or any text you want to appear behind you while talking. It could be a caption or something. For this exercise, we want to use welcome. So type welcome like this, all right? Once you type welcome, click the edge here to bolden it, like to magnify it, okay? Magnify it this way. Can you see that? And then move it down to your face, okay? Move it up to your face rather, and then leave it right there. Are you following? Then click here to tick it. After ticking it, you can either click here to drag it to where you want the text to play to, okay? If you want it to be to the end of your video, fine. But if you just want it maybe the first 2-3 seconds of your video, it's okay. So just leave it right here, okay? Step 3, you need to duplicate the original video. So to do that, you need to use the overlay button. Is that clear? So how would you do this? Click on the main video, all right? This one, just click on it. So when you click on it, when you are done clicking on it, scroll beneath your bar. Can you see? Just keep scrolling till you see duplicate. Then click on duplicate. So after clicking on duplicate, automatically the video appears side by side, okay? This was the first video and then this is the second video, okay? So this is the one we just duplicated. So make sure it's highlighted the way you see it, so all right? Can you see the white line circling it? Okay, so just leave it this way. Now the next thing you want to do, scroll beneath your screen here again, keep scrolling. So this is it. So click on this button, overlay button, okay? Click on it. Can you see it has brought it beneath this one after clicking on overlay? Now the next thing, click here to delete this ending. So click on delete. Good. Then click on the video you duplicated, okay? Click and hold it down, then drag it to the left till the end of this video, the beginning of this video rather, okay? Just keep going, keep going. Good. So when it comes here, just leave it. Can you see now you have 2 videos on top each other? Is that clear? So the next thing you want to do, click on the video beneath. Once it shows you that it has been highlighted, scroll beneath your screen here. You are looking for remove BG. Can you see? Click on remove BG, then click on auto remover. So you are removing the background of this video. Can you see applying one feature? So you have to hold on till it reaches 100%. If your network is strong, well, that's good for you. So I'm going to pause this video and do this quickly, then we can proceed. Good. It has reached 100%. Now click here to tick it. Good. You have ticked it. So the next thing you want to do, this is the most important part, okay? The next thing you want to do, the video is still highlighted the way you see it, so isn't it? Good. So let's highlight it again. Now when you highlight the video, scroll beneath here and keep scrolling, okay? Keep scrolling. You are looking for an icon called layer. Look at it. So you have to click on layer. Is that clear? Click on layer. Good. So here it should bring up another interface for you. You have your text here and then you have the main video here. So you want to tell CapCut to overlap one and then put the other behind. Is that clear? So in this sense, we want to put the text welcome behind us. So you are going to tap on the video, hold it and then drag it to the left. Okay. So you are going to tap on this video and then drag it to this side so that your text goes to this side. Remember, the text was here before, now the text is here. Can you see what has happened on the screen? So let's click on tick and see. Can you see that? So let's play and see.
Hello, my name is FJ.
Can you see that? Now we want to work on the text behind her. Okay, first of all, click on the text down, then click on style. Can you see style? Click on style, then go to fonts. You can choose any font you want to use, but for the purpose of this tutorial, I am choosing this Majestic. Okay, so just choose Majestic. Now the text is behind that, it has changed font. Is that clear? Then you can tick it right here. Can you see that? So the text is there. Now another thing you want to do for the text is to go to animation. Click on animation. When you click on animation, click on in. Just leave it at in. Okay, it's already there automatically. So you are scrolling. These are different options for you. Okay, which one do you want to choose? So let's say we want to go with this one. You click it.
Hello.
Good. Can you see that? Then tick it here. Okay, after ticking it there, we want to add a sound so that immediately that welcome appears behind her, you will hear the sound like a thunder. Is that clear? Let's play.
Hello.
You see that? So we want to do that right away. So the next thing you want to do, click on audio. After clicking on audio, click on sound effects here. After clicking on sound effects, go straight to the search bar and then type explosion. Explosion. Can you see it here? Click on it. So we are going to use this. All right. Did you hear that? So click on the plus sign to add it. That's been added. So let's play here.
Hello, my name.
Did you hear that? So you have to just play around and then find the way to work on this by yourself.
Hello, my name is FJ.
So this is very interesting and straightforward. If you found this video interesting, please subscribe to this channel, like this video, add a comment if it helped you. Please add a comment and share. Thank you for watching.